What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is MC Kafu, and you are watching What's Trending on Royal Jimmy Trends. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and then follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. There is a news circulating online about a fake lawyer who has been arrested in Kenya. So let me take you through this story. Fake lawyer who won 26 cases arrested in Kenya. Brian Mwenda has been exposed and arrested for years after posing as a real lawyer. According to the Law Society of Kenya, Nairobi branch, Mwenda was not a registered member of the society and had no legal qualifications. He had been presenting himself as a lawyer for 3 years and had handled 26 cases before High Court judges, magistrate, and Court of Appeal judges. He won all the 26 cases before his arrest. It has come to our notice that Mr. Brian Mwenda has been operating within our legal community under a false guise, falsely presenting himself as an advocate. The branch wishes to notify all members of the society and of the public that Brian Mwenda Njagi is not an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. From the society's records, neither is he a member of the branch. The statement from LSK Nairobi branch reads, "The fake lawyer's saga went viral on social media whilst South Africans were battling with a fake doctor whose social media account is named Matthew Milani." So the long and short of all this is that someone who has been presenting himself at the law court as a lawyer who actually won 26 cases out of 26 cases that he sat on has been arrested in Kenya. Yes. So this gentleman on your screen here posed himself as a lawyer for 3 good years, and within these 3 years he was able to win 26 cases out of all the 26 cases that he presented himself or that he sat on as a lawyer. Now this is it. Let's forget about the arrest. So this gentleman without a legal education has been able to win 26 cases against lawyers who have had legal education. Are you thinking about it? So Mwenda is a fake lawyer. It is established. It's a fact. Now, he has sat on 26 different cases at the magistrate court, at the Court of Appeal, and then at the High Court of Kenya. And he sat on this court. I'm sure he went, obviously, whenever there's a law, there's a court issue, we have 2 or more legal people presenting their clients. So Mwenda is on one side and the other lawyers too are on the other side. So Mwenda sat on all these 26 cases and he has won all without legal education, without a law education. It means that he has not been to law school before. Fine, maybe he might have been to law school, but it's either say now he not qualify, so they don't make him lawyer or they not call him to the bar, or maybe at a point he dropped out of school, or he sat in the house and read law, like he now reading own law. So it'd be funny. So you need to ask questions that these guys that sat on the other 26 cases against Mwenda, who claim they have legal education. I think say those guys should rather be arrested. Yes, those lawyers should rather be arrested. Yes, Mwenda should be released. The supposed fake lawyer should be released immediately. They should go to the other 26 other lawyers and arrest them, because I just cannot believe and then understand. I cannot comprehend In fact, I'm trying to digest the whole issue, but I know the bab that we have 26 other lawyers who sat on a court or who sat at a law court against this Mwenda guy, this supposed fake lawyer. And this guy who had no legal education won all these cases. So it means that ideally, it's either these guys, they don't know anything, or they are just wasting monies of their clients. Because if this guy is able to win all these cases, then Charlie, this guy must be studied. In fact, Kenyans should start advocating for this guy, okay, to be sent to their law schools to be a professor there. This guy must teach in their law schools. This guy must teach at Kenya law schools, because he is a genius. Like, he's good. For a person who has no legal education to win 26 cases out of 26, then the guy is very good. Yes, very, very, very good. In fact, the Kenyans, I'll join forces and then make sure that I advocate that this guy should be released with immediate effect, and the other 26 lawyers must be arrested, because they ended up wasting their clients' money, wasting their clients' time, okay, and then also wasting the time of the judges who sat on those 26 cases. Yes, those judges who sat on the bench during those 26 cases, they wasted their time. Yes, Mwenda must be studied. Yes, even if the guys, the Kenyans cannot take him to the to their law schools to teach the other law students, he must be in the books at the at the law schools in Kenya, because this is unprecedented. This is undisputed. So let's put the arrest aside and then digest the issue well. Yes, you can also join us at the comment section if whether this Kenyan supposed fake lawyer should be kept in jail or he should be released immediately. For me, I think this guy should be left alone, and then the other 26 lawyers must be arrested, because if the police don't take care and they take this young guy to the law court, okay, he will defend himself and he will win again, making 27. The police shouldn't even try to even process this guy, okay, to appear at the law court, because if they process this guy to the law court, he will defend himself and he will win. So this is what I bring to you from Kenya. Thank you very much for watching. Royal Jimmy Trends, your #1 entertainment and lifestyle channel.